These people are making millions every month from this simple craft, and you'll be surprised to see how these people do it. First, they cut down a dry date palm tree right from the roots. Then the trunk is carefully split straight down the middle into 2 equal parts. After that, these people pick up an axe and start carving one side of the trunk, slowly hollowing out the inside of the wood. Piece by piece, the solid tree begins to take the shape of a boat. Next, these people remove the rough outer bark and start smoothing the surface until it becomes clean and even. And after all that hard work, what once looked like a useless dry tree turns into a strong floating boat.